The Apple iPad, 9th generation. Welcome to another FEMITECH video tutorial. This video will give you some valuable information about the 9th generation Apple iPad. 5 reasons why you must get the 9th generation Apple iPad. 1. Its 10.2 inches screen is not too big or too small. In fact, it is just about the right size for you. It is practical, a good choice for anything you wish to do with it. 2. Its built-in 64 GB of internal storage should be good enough for you. 3. No more blurry picture or video. This is due to the fact that the iPad 9 comes with a 12 megapixel front and a 8 megapixel back camera. 4. If you want a mobile device to take with you on a day trip, then this is the gadget to take. Once full charge, the iPad 9 will give you a full day of usage. 5. Its A13 bionic chip enables you to experience smooth use without freezing, as the processor and graphics capability is one of the best. This is a must-buy product. Get yours now. See link below to learn more. Thanks for viewing.